Then, check the everyone and his on medication. Today I'll be performing analytical records using vital medication. Today first perform inhalation. If the vial contains more medication, then calculate the current dosage. Then organize treatment, remove the seal and then calculate the dosage. Then disinfect it with the remove the cell cup. Remove the cell cup and then firmly wipe the rubber stopper using the alcohol as well. Next is
Give me the 5. Give me at least 5.
Draw the
Right of drug.
right of patient, right of dose, right of route, right of time, right of documentation.
Make sure nga kalak na siya. Pag-lock ka na, hindi pag-lock.
Next is insert
Ha? Make sure na-lock siya. Para easy lang yung pag-ano. Ayaw mo pag... Anak ko nga, i-lock sa una. Kuwasa na. Kuwasa na. I-lock. Iya i-hold dira sa iyang kwan. I-hold ang lawas.
Next is
It's okay if gikan pa siya sa kanan yung NSS gani. It's okay nga na may bubbles. Ha? I-prevent lang magud nato sa bubbles is to prevent the patient having an air embolism. Pero if ever nga nag-process pa mo sa inyong nag-process pa mo sa inyong you're doing the medication preparation pa ba? It's okay nga na may bubbles. Kaya dili man na siya kung ano. Pero na may bubbles.
then we check the dosage of the then double check on the amount of the syringe. Then next is discard the syringe properly. Compare the medication label to the medical records and label the medication with property and the amount of the dose. Then arrange medication with the medical record and the alcohol swab on the tray and card or store